Hey everybody, it's Jordan Yates and I'm here with Patrick at Zeus Power Supply's warehouse in Houston, Texas, where they have a whole bunch of electrical insulating gloves. Now, I'm not the expert, but Patrick knows a little bit more. So Patrick, what are you guys stocking here?
Yes, so we're stocking Tilsitec Pulse high voltage insulating rubber gloves. We stock over 2,000 pair here in Houston, all the classes from 0, 00, all the way up through class 4. We're also stocking the most common sizes, so size 9.5, 9s, 10s, 11s, different cuff lengths, different colors. And we'll stock whatever your customer wants. If he has a special request, we'll put it in stock, make sure we have it on the shelf. But yes, we're very excited to have local stock here finally.
Yes. So Patrick, why are you guys stocking these products in Houston?
Yeah, so not only do the utility companies at the power plants use these, it's a piece of critical safety, personal protective equipment, but all of the lineman contractors that are fixing things when we have a big storm, they're climbing poles, this helps insulate them from high voltage electrocution. So we're proud to be part of that safety initiative and make sure that those contractors have that product available when they need it.
Yes, because as we know, last year was the first time that I lived through a hurricane in Houston. We don't necessarily get to decide when the crazy things happen, but we need to be prepared because they wear their PPE when they're out there working. So I'm glad that I now know that Zeus has plenty of stock here. So whether you guys need it today or you need it 6 months from now, if you want to, Zeus also is able to stock them specifically for your company. Can you tell them more about that?
Sure. Certain contractors will require bell cuffs, let's say. So it's hot in the summer. They're wearing their protective sleeves. They want a little extra comfort, a little more mobility, dexterity. So we're bringing those in as well. We get a lot of requests for the bell cuffs.
Okay.
Other companies require different colors too. So I know Centerpoint requires black.
Okay.
So we're stocking that as well. Different cuff lengths also.
A little bit of everything.
Yes.
Okay, you told me there's a bunch of different kinds we have, so let's just walk down and let's point some out. What do we got?
Yeah, so right here we got class 4, so these are gonna be your highest voltage rating or the highest safety rating. See class 4, and then it'll tell you your size 10 here. So moving on, we got half sizes as well.
Ooh.
So if you're one of those that's kind of in between, we got half sizes. So that's going to be a class 2 glove. Moving on, all class 2, a little smaller size.
What do you see is the most popular in Houston?
Class 2.
Class 2?
Class 0 and class 2. So that's going to be, I'd say 50% of our stock is probably class 2.
Okay. What's the rarest one that you've seen?
That would be, oh boy, it'd be either the double lot or class 4. So either the lowest safety level or the highest safety level, probably be the rarest. So
nice. But class 2 is kind of the common one, so we got a bunch of them here.
Whole bunch of them. Yep.
All right. Anything else about Pulse that you want to tell us about? I mean, it seems straightforward, but also there's the testing requirements.
Yes. Insulated gloves, rubber goods need testing every 6 months. We're working with several testing labs in the area here so that they'll have them in stock when you need them. So if they need testing from our warehouse, we'll get them tested for you within a day or two.
Okay.
Another thing to note is they're manufactured in Sri Lanka. Good thing about that is the rubber is literally grown like right down the street. So it's manufactured using a dip process instead of a molded process. I get a lot of compliments on the dexterity and just the pliability of the rubber itself. So nothing but good compliments so far.
Awesome.
Great pricing as well, by the way. So contact me if you have any need for any high voltage rubber insulating gloves.